Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Hope everyone are at good health and happy driving and safe driving. Summer is hot. Make sure you drink more of water and keep water in your car while you're going. Today's topic is automatic cars. More and more people are buying automatic cars, and in the past and now people are doing some major blunders while driving an automatic car. Why people are choosing more automatic cars is to make their driving comfort. The left leg is ease, and there's a lot of traffic, bumper to bumper traffic, where you in the manual gear you change the gear, clutch, brake, etc. That hassle is not there in automatic, and as well the prices of automatic cars have come down, and as well now people wants to drive comfortably and easy. So demand for automatic cars is more. So today our topic is don't do some basic important blunders while driving an automatic car. Number one, when you are driving a car, an automatic car, make sure your driving modes are known: park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport mode. Sport mode is there in the mode. As when you are driving, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 gears when you are a manual gear. So whenever you are driving an automatic car, make sure your car is at standstill at 0 speed, and then you change the gear. Right? If you, while driving, if you are changing the gear in the move, there's always chances the transmission will get affected, and if the transmission get affected, the cost of the transmission is very high. That is one. Second thing is, don't use half brake while driving. Right? You are going, and it is bumper to bumper. So people put it in drive mode, and only use the brake. It is always on the drive mode, and you'll remove the leg from the brake and the car moves. Instead of that, please stop the car and then accelerate when it is. So don't use half brake. So that also will increase heat in the transmission, and there is always chances of transmission getting damaged. Next, whenever you are, for example, your car is stopped for some reason, the battery is down and you could not start. If it is a manual gear, you can push the gear, put it in first gear and start. But whereas this, you have to call the battery guy to do a jump start or change the battery. So make sure that is taken care. So you cannot push this car. In case the car is stopped on the road and you have to tow to another van, so make sure it is the speed of the front towing van should be not more than 15 km speed, and see that the gear is in neutral, parked in neutral. The neutral gear, the car should be in neutral gear. Okay, another thing, whenever you are at signals and the signal is 1 minute, 2 minutes, if it's more than 60 minutes, don't put your put your brake on the put your leg on the brake and keep the car on standstill. Put the car in neutral and then put the brake. Once the signal comes, you put it in the drive mode and start. So make sure these precautions are taken whenever you are driving an automatic car. That is one. Second thing, make sure whenever you are giving for servicing your car, the transmission oil, the gear oil, etc., whatever oil has to be done according to the manufacturer, OEM's prescription. Don't do it on your own, or whatever viscosity, what brands are rated, same thing has to be done. Again, in automatic cars, if there is a chance in water logging, the water gets into the transmission, it is going to cost very high. So my suggestion is, whenever you're taking an insurance for your automatic transmission, please take insurance from a reputed company, not online, number one. Number two, make sure that you take for engine protect and as well as transmission protect. We at Chitra Cars have tied up with all the major brands of insurance company. If you need insurance, we will help you for. Anytime you plan to buy or sell a new car, just call Chitra Cars. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.